Drone Academy of India, in New Delhi, provides comprehensive training for future drone pilots. Hey! Today, I'll be presenting on a transformative technology that's revolutionizing how we monitor and maintain rail infrastructure. This diagram presents the geodatabase schema designed to support drone-based railway asset management and inspection workflows. At the core of this system are the critical railway infrastructure assets. These include tracks, bridges, tunnels, electric poles, overhead equipment, signals, level crossings, stations, and rail yards. Each asset is uniquely identified and spatially referenced with associated condition attributes such as geometry, speed limits, or structural status. To assess and monitor these assets efficiently, drone technology is integrated into the workflow. The process begins with planned drone flights, where flight parameters, such as operator ID, route, and date, are recorded. Drones capture high-resolution imagery and LiDAR point clouds, which provide both visual and 3D spatial data for analysis. These drone-derived datasets are then used to generate inspection reports, where asset-specific issues are documented, classified by severity, and timestamped. If you are passionate about drones and looking for a career in this exciting field, welcome to Drone Academy of India, a premier drone pilot training center in India. We are recognized as the best flying school in India that provides comprehensive training for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. Our DGCA-approved Drone Training Institute is dedicated to helping you become a professional drone pilot with the skills and knowledge to excel in the growing drone industry.